So it is very early in the morning, but the idea is that I go and drive my friend's car that he left here last night down to him, and then I run back. Now this only happened because last night he drank and so couldn't go back home with his car. Yo, Ijuin sounds like a ghost town. Oh, I know what it is. It's the security shutters on the local supermarket. That's where McDonald's and KFC are. Gotta protect that shit. It's fucking gold, mate. Gold. Just dawned on me. His car's all the way over on the other side of this village. Because we drove to the place we drank at last night. God damn it. What? Oh. I forgot my earphones. So now the plan is, I'll get the car, I'll go back home, and get my earphones. Because that shit is so important when you're running for 2 hours. Okay, made it. What my mate doesn't know is every kilometre I run, he's got to suck my... Okay, that car. Right, I've got to go and get the headphones, and then we're off. Oh, God, I hate that car. I need a coffee. Don't have any money though. Matt, thank you. Right, let's bang this down and then we're off. I'm such an awesome driver. I love hugging people's ass, just right up their boot. Okay, we're here. That was a very unpleasant experience. This car sucks. Its speakers are blown and it's just shit. So I'm gonna have a better time running back. So we made it, but I forgot my fucking drone.
Well, more specifically important.
No, I brought my drone, but I forgot my batteries. It's just annoying. Anyway, we came to see this bridge. No, this shit. Look, you can go and see it over there. We're gonna go over there. Some autumn colours here. Oh look, Chinese.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh shit, that's a bit racist. Huh?
There's like stores.
Oh shit, yeah. So this place is quite cool. You wait till you see the waterfall. Yo, here we are. Waterfall. Pretty cool. I guess it's like a mini waterfall, rock pools and stuff. There's more over here as well. What you doing, mister?
Taking a selfie, baby.
I just didn't bring my drone. There's a sign back there saying, whatever you do, don't look down. Oh, yeah, man. Souvenir and food area. This looks pretty cool. Oh shit, look, he's not on his phone.
Oh, but look who is.
Shut up. Like, what the fuck is this shit? So after about an hour journey back, we got his car speakers fixed for a very cheap price.
Yes,
I thought. Got them installed, he's got banging sound. Then we treated ourselves to a nice course at our local izakaya. And this stuff, use it. Mixed between like a grapefruit and an orange, I think, with some of this chicken. I think it's gonna be great. Let's smash it.
So yeah, it's about another few hours later after starting here, and because of this guy. Probably drank a bit too much. Say bye bye, bye bye.
It's so drunk, he's becoming a landlord.
Joel.